Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today we're going to take a look at a 2020 Transcraft 48'x102 Tandem sliding air ride aluminum combo trailer. We'll do a quick walk around tour. This unit is a 2020, has never been on the road. It is new status. FET has already been paid and taken care of for you. This unit has brand new tires, 225, steel rim. It is an aluminum combo sliding tandem unit. This unit is beautiful, ready to come work for you. This unit can be converted to a piggyback style lift. Give us a call if that's something you need, but this unit is currently being listed as is 2020. All warranties are still available through the manufacturer on this unit. Hendrix air suspension system sliding tandem unit. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. This is a brand new 2020 aluminum combo sliding tandem suspension air ride. Give us a call. Visit us at 99lifts.com. Thank you for your time.